What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We got something in the mail today. Something very exciting. I've been waiting for a little while now. Got the workbench all cleaned up here too. But we picked up a Universal 1.8, 110 on-road, off-road, short course, and MT setup station. And I got this from Integi. Cost about $100. And I'm going to tell you, it's pretty well worth it because it'll do all your major brands: Associated, Hobel, HPI, Kyosho, Losi, Mugen, Offner, Traxxas, HPI, Losi. You know, like it just keeps going. So let's take a look. We got our 4 main units. This is where it's going to hook up on your hub. The car sits like this. Not bad. Pretty high quality machined aluminum, anodized black. Right, so these are what go on each of your hubs. And then here we got for your 8 scale. This is the plate that goes across. And then you got your shorter plate for your 10 scales. And you got your 2 base plates. You can only set up your front and then the rear, or the rear and then the front. So you only do 2 at a time. And then we got our, I believe, so this will tell you your tow. This one on this gauge will tell you your caster. And under here are all your adapters for the hub. These are your, you put on that other piece I showed you, and this is what marks your caster on the side. And then this is what gives you your camber on the back side there. And when we get it all together, and when I get the MP11 on here and set up, we'll see how this all works, and we'll go and do all the adjustments together. Stay tuned till next time.